there, YouTube subscribers and non-subscribers. I'm the Disgruntled Bassist, and welcome to Smooth Jazz Radio. No, no, um, never mind. I've got some news, other than, what I did to my face. I did do these on purpose, by the way. This isn't just like some sort of a crop circle thing. I just woke up and my beard was spiked. I actually did do this. But you may remember a few months ago I showed you this lighter here. I had the next day sold it to someone I know. It's back in my hands for tonight because I am doing some maintenance on it, as you know. As I do for friends, fill them with lighter fluid, put new flints, new wicks in them, that sort of thing. I just handle my friends' Zippo lighters. This one is my own personal Zippo. As you can see, it's just regular brushed chrome. This is a replacement for the one that I had. That's my phone. It was a replacement for the one I had a few months ago, about 6 months ago. I lost it. That was the first lighter I ever bought, the first Zippo lighter that I ever bought. And I was in the woods somewhere, out at a bonfire by a pond. And we all took my buddy's truck down to the beach, lit a big bonfire on the beach, and on our way back, somehow my lighter fell out of my pocket, out of my, I don't know, it'll be this one, but I wasn't wearing this thing at the time. I was wearing, no, fuck it. But it fell out of the pocket, and it was dark, and it was gone. It was just fucking gone. And that was the one that I had my initials on right there, and the stripe around like that. And so I got this one from a buddy of mine as a way of settling a debt, really. He owed me like $5, and he didn't know what these things were worth, so I was like, hey, that's a $20 lighter. Well, I'll say we're more than even, But right now, I am trying to negotiate for this baby right here. This is a Marlboro promotional thing. Too bad I don't smoke Marlboro cigarettes anymore. I'm more of a Camel man myself. But inside of this cardboard sleeve, see, it's just a cardboard sleeve, there is a Zippo. A brushed brass Zippo. And I'm trying to negotiate to buy this from the owner of this lighter. This is the Jack Daniels lighter. I'm trying to negotiate the price for this one, and that's what I'm texting her about right now. Give her $20 for it. See if she goes for it. I really like this lighter. I mean, I always said that if I ever got one, to you know, sort of be used in conjunction with this one, the brushed chrome, I'd get a brushed brass like this. And now that it's in my hand, I really, really want it. I really do. Hold on, I'm just doing some negotiations. Just offered her $20 and she said no. This is only worth $20. But inside of this bit here, there is a little pamphlet, Zippo pamphlet, written in English, yeah. Basically care and maintenance. To fill or reflint your lighter, see figure A. That would be figure A right there. Hold case. Lift felt pad to reveal the packing material in the fuel chamber. Fill slowly. Saturate the packing with Zippo lighter fluid. Stop filling when fuel reaches top of packing. Never overfill. If overfilled, it can leak fuel. Fuel is a skin irritant. Insert lighter, insert, back into case. That's awkward wording. Insert lighter, insert. Wipe lighter and hands before lighting. If overfilled, do not put in pocket or next to skin. If fuel gets on skin, wash the affected area. If irritation persists or worsens, see a doctor. Be sure fuel can is closed and there is no spilling fuel in the vicinity before igniting. This is flammable fluid. Oh, and the world famous Zippo guarantee at the bottom there. This product or any Zippo lighter when returned to our factory will be put in first-class mechanical condition free of charge, for we have yet to charge a cent for the repair of a Zippo lighter regardless of age or condition. The finish, however, is not guaranteed. That basically means don't return us your fucking lighter if the finish wears off, because we're not going to replace that. But if the lid falls off, then yes, go ahead and send it back and we'll fix it for you. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you this because it's quite possible that I'll never see it again, and you'll never see it again, and I really want it. She's not going for the deal though. Really is too bad. So. Here's the three of them. Yeah. Here's the three of them. Windproof, huh? I'm the disgruntled bassist, and that's my phone. Good night, everyone.